morning students. 8th standard science nutritional needs of adolescents. So the nutrition is very essential during the adolescence period, not only for the adolescence period. So all the times the nutrition is very essential. The nutritions they used for the development of the skeletal systems, and also they used for the development of the reproductive system. So each and every human being, they have a balanced diet. So they have a balanced diet. So what is the meaning of balanced diet? So the balanced diet means the food is contain carbohydrate. So they have thing. So carbohydrate. So protein. So vitamins. So fat. So mineral salt and water. So they occur in a correct proportion is called a balanced diet. So the any nutrients or the deficiency, so they produce in a deficiency disease. So they produce in a the deficiency disease. So the poor development of the skeletal system, not only for the physical work, and also they affected the mental. So the nervous system is become damaged. Our Indian meals, so the mainly they have in a protein or in the rice. So the mainly they have in a carbohydrates, and they have in a dal, milk, fruits and vegetables. Is a major food items in India. So the nutritional deficiency during this period, not only they affected the physical character, and also they important in the intellectual development. It means they have in a brain development. Is a nervous system is become well developed. So and also they have in a delay the reproductive maturation. Delay the reproductive maturation. So they have a very good amount of protein and carbohydrates are used for the well development of the body. In World Health Organization says each and every body they need 1 gram of protein per 1 kg of the body weight. So they become the normal growth. They become the normal growth. Otherwise, they produce a deficiency disease. Disease. So apart from that, adolescents they need the dietary component. So the one is called in a minerals. So there are different type of minerals. So increase in the skeletal mass. The minerals also they use it for the development of the skeletal system, and also they increasing the volume of your blood in the human body. So during the adolescence period, so the bodies are need calcium, Ca. So they have any, so the calcium, so phosphorus, P. And also they have in iron, Ab. So the 3 minerals are very important for the development of the skeletal system during the adolescence period. So first one is called in a calcium. So the calcium Ca. So intake needs to increase in the prevention of osteoporosis. Osteo means so bone. So porosis means so they become the porous is the softness of the bone. They have a softness of the bones. The bone is become damaged. So the bone is easily broken. The deficiency of a calcium. Then, where is present in the calcium? So the calciums are present in milk and milk products. Milk products and other equivalents. Mainly they present the milk and the milk products. And also they have equivalent materials. The next one is called iodine. So the iodines are very, very essential for the development of the thyroxine hormone. Iodine. So the iodines are used for the development of the secretion of the thyroxine hormone. So from the thyroid gland. So thyroid glands are present in the neck region. They are secreting the thyroxine hormone. So these hormones are used for the development of the body. And also they maintain the BMI. So BMI. BMR. A basic metabolic rate in the human body. So the proper functions of the body. Functions of the body. So the iodines are used for the thyroid secretion. So they have a thyroid hormone. So they say thyroxine hormone. The deficiency of the thyroxine hormone, they produce different kinds of disease. For example, simple goiter disease, cretinism in children, myxedema in adults, then over secretion. So they produce in a exophthalmic goiter or hyperthyroidism. So thyroidism is otherwise called a Graves' disease. The deficiency of a thyroxine. Then iron. So the Fe. So the iron is very, very important for the development of the blood hemoglobin. So the RBC, red blood cell. The red blood cell is contain the hemoglobin. So the heme is the iron part. So they carry the oxygen, transportation of the oxygen from the lungs to various parts of the body. And also they carry the carbon dioxide from the cells to lungs. So the hemoglobin. So the iron part is very, very essential for transportation of the gas. It means oxygen transportation and carbon dioxide transportation. Carbon dioxide, so transportation. So they have a green leafy vegetables contain the large quantity of iron. So every day they take the green leafy vegetables because they contain the high iron value. And also they contain the leafy vegetable, meats, dates, fishes, chicken, citrus fruits, Indian gooseberries. It means they have a name. Nelly. The whole pulses of the good adolescents. So lack of iron. So the deficiency of iron in the diet, they produce anemia disease. Anemia means the deficiency of RBC. The oxygen transportation is become to failure. So they have developed the breathing problems are occur in the human body. So iron deficiency to occur the muscle squats, where the gates occurrence in the menstruation. So is also they have a deficiency, the menstruation problem. So during the adolescence. So they have during the adolescence period, the nutrition is very, very essential. Not only for the body growth, so the mental development, and also they have a sexual maturation. So nutrition is very, very essential. A proper diet is also essential. So they maintain the normal growth of the body. Thank you, students.